What's up, my lord? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. You guys, I don't have too much planned today. I did say I was going to put some nails on because I did order some little nails. Got to put them on, you guys. And I'm going to go get some fresh flowers for the house. I was supposed to do that the other day and I didn't. What else? That's about it. And I'm going to go get some crab legs because today I am going to do like a mini. All I want is just the crab legs, the potatoes, and the egg, and some sausage. So all I have to go get is the crab legs and the sausage, and then a few more spices for the sauce. So with that being said, let's get in these streets. My low riders. My low riders. Okay, you guys, I told y'all you guys were going to come to the store with me. So journey through the store with me as I get some items that I need to cook my mini seafood boil, you guys. It's not going to be a big one. It's going to be a mini one, okay? Because there's a lot of stuff that I really don't want to put in there this time. Because it's just for me. It's not just for me. It's for my grandson and my son that's going to come over tomorrow too. So yeah, come with me through the store. Okay, you guys, I got the vegetables and everything I needed for the seafood boil. So when I went back to the seafood section, I walked right past the last box of snow crab. Okay, so when I got back there, then I went to the butcher and I asked him, did they have any more crab legs back there? And he said, what we have out there is what we have out there. I said, I didn't see anything. He said, there's one more. And this lady right here, not her. Not her either. Okay, here's where I walked right by where the last box of crab legs were. And right there. So I go up to the butcher and I asked him, do they have any more left, right? He was like, whatever's out there is out there. He said there was one more left. I was like, I didn't see anything out there. So he goes to the back. There's nothing in the back. Thank God the lady heard me talking to him and said I didn't see any out there, and that was the last box. Her right there, you guys. So she said you can have it, and that was so nice to her. I took it too. Okay, guys, I am back from the store, and you guys pretty much saw what I got. Let me back y'all up a little bit. But I'll show you guys. I'm just taking this stuff out the bag right now, making it easier to show you guys what I got. What I got. Got some chicken broth, Worcestershire sauce, more butter, more accent, a sweet onion, sweet corn, snow crab, Arnold Palmer, pink Moscato, and black cherry Stella Rosa, 2 Minute Maid juices, eggs, and I thought these were plates, but they're like wide, deep bowls, so that'll do. And I got flowers for my base dish. But let me put this stuff up, you guys. It was hot out there. When I say it was hot, it was hot. It was so hot out there. That is disrespectful hot. And I forgot to get water. Forgot to get water. The main thing was tissue, water, and flowers. I did get the tissue though. And that's what you guys are sitting on, propped up on the tissue. should got 2 things of eggs. But this will do. Oh, once I get off the phone with you guys, once I finish putting this up, I gotta go upstairs and pay a bill. Now, that don't go where I just put it, but it's over there because it's taken out and getting cooked anyway tonight. So, just get some water out. Child, look. I usually give my plants the fresh water. They ain't getting it today. Because I forgot to get water from the store. So guess what? The bottled water belongs to me. It's mine. You guys, these flowers are going to be so pretty. Let's look at you guys right here and see what happens. If y'all can see. Look, you can see. I don't know what this little worm is in there for. But they didn't even give me they didn't even give me a packet. I was about to get mad, you guys, for nothing. And the packet in there. Okay, those are not as cute as I thought they were, you guys. I'm gonna cut these. prickly. Well, you guys, these flowers smell so good. And here's the tissue. You guys, look how pretty the flowers look. Okay. Okay, you guys, I made my sauce. I'm steaming my crab legs, cooking my corn, potatoes already made, eggs already boiled, got my glass of wine ready. And this is just a mini seafood boil. I didn't get the sausage. I was gonna get them, but I forgot them. So that's that. I'm gonna make do with what I have. Okay, guys, here's my mini seafood boil with the corn, the eggs, the potatoes, and the crab legs. And here's what's left over. I'm gonna put that in the refrigerator. I'm gonna cool down some, but I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. And I'm ready to tear into this with my glass of wine. I couldn't get my Stella Rosa open. That's what I really wanted, the blueberry, blackberry, but I couldn't get it open. But I'm about to chow down, you guys. Okay, my little riders, I made everything. And at first I was sitting at my table, but the lighting wasn't good over there. So I moved to my little counter right here, and then the music, it wasn't even music, it was the TV was on, and I was listening to the TV. But yeah, the food was really good. You can see me cracking them crab legs, getting to it. In a few minutes or seconds, you'll see me. Did I just burp on here, you guys? If I did, excuse me. But anyway, I'm going to tear into some corn, some boiled egg, and everything that I had in my seafood boil. And it's a lot of stuff that I left out. I only put a little bit of shrimp in there because I don't really like shrimp anyway. But I put it in there because I know my grandson likes it and he'll be over tomorrow. And what else? The links. I didn't put any of the sausage links in there. I went to the store to get that and I forgot it. So yeah. But anyway, you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to finish eating. And I hope to see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and don't forget, go on over to my new cooking channel. Because I'm going to put this video on here also. But I want you guys to go over to my new cooking channel. It's called What's Cooking with Lola. And yeah, it's going to be some pretty good things cooking over there. You're going to see my sons cooking some stuff. Because they just want to cook something. They want to cook something. And I'm going to let them too because my sons can cook. And you're going to see me going to the store to get certain things. It's not just going to be me in the kitchen cooking and, you know, chopping up stuff. I'm going to take you guys to the store with me while I'm shopping. And yeah, and I'm going to try not to make the videos too long. And sometimes I may eat the food after I cook and sometimes I may not. Because most of the time I cook stuff and I don't even be cooking it for me. So with that being said, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. And hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. Okay, you guys, I'm getting off of here right now. But you guys can continue to watch. Okay, stay blessed. Okay, you guys, at this point I was just so full, and I didn't want what I had in my little square pan, glass pan, to go to waste. So I'm gonna eat the corn. I'm gonna eat a little bit more, and at the end, you guys will see. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't eat all that stuff. I tried to, and I couldn't. Even tried to eat some of the potatoes that was in the bowl and some of the crab meat that fell out of the crab shell, but it was too much, you guys. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. And I am so full, but guess what? Trying to push myself through this video for you guys. But with that being said, I am out for real this time. I'm out for real. You guys have a blessed day. See you guys in the next video.